Hi, and welcome to my classroom. My name is Lisanne Kenyon, and this is going to be the introduction to the course on integrating theater, multimedia, and technology into your lesson plans and curriculum. I'm going to be reviewing many different ways to do this, but one theory that we're going to be looking at is called DELT. This is learning how to design, engage, learn, and teach. And so we're going to be developing lessons, projects, curriculum, scripts, and we're always going to keep these principles in mind. And so we'll be spending a whole section in the course on just talking about what designing is, what engagement is, what is really learning, and what do we mean by teaching, and how to teach in a way that is inspiring to your students, but also inspiring to you. I have been doing this for a while. My first master's thesis was on called Integrating Theater, and I wrote this in 2000. I was actually Lisa Ann Manolkin then, my maiden name. I had been a theater arts major, and I had majored in drama and theater arts and liberal arts and sciences at USC, and then went on to get my master's in theater at San Francisco State. And at this time, I was acting and writing plays and becoming a teacher, getting those inner motions of like, I want to teach drama, but I also think I want to just teach in general. So really starting to think I'm going to go get my teaching credential, not just for theater. And I wrote a thesis on this and developed it, and I've been using this for a long time, these elements. But I started to develop, of course, in the past 23 years with the explosion of technology and multimedia access, the ability to know that now it's beyond that. Let's integrate theater, multimedia, and technology, and using some of the same principles. How do those elements even enhance engagement and design in lesson plans, curriculum, and projects? I'm not the only one. This is a person that I was very inspired by in the near future. I actually don't know him. I just have researched his development of his techniques, and he's out there in integrating educational theater out of NYU. And in the second section of the course, you'll get to learn a little bit more about him. I started being inspired first by Alice Minnie Hertz, and she wrote the book in 1911 on the children's educational theater. Most of her work, you'll see, is about how theater there wasn't a lot of theater for kids then, and how theater can help kids learn and as well as just entertain them. So that was the springboard for me thinking about integrating it further into a classroom. Since then, I've realized that a lot of people out there are starting to get on this track, and we don't even know each other, but it's because of the value of integrated elements and how easily they fit into education to really enhance student engagement. So let's go ahead and jump on in. Throughout this course, you're going to experience what it is to integrate. You're going to be able to view integrated lessons. You're going to take some time to reflect about what that means to you as a teacher, or maybe if you're becoming a teacher, what that'll mean to your teaching. And you're going to get to think about what kind of lessons you could use integration to enhance. And you're going to get to act them out by talking or writing or creating. And we're just going to be going through this circle. It's all very connected, all very integrated. Well, let's get started.